Want to give your iPhone a fresh look? Today, we're showing you how to fully customize your iOS 26 lock screen in just a few easy steps. First, wake your iPhone and stay on the lock screen. Long press on the screen until you see the Customize button at the bottom. Tap that. You can choose from Apple's curated wallpapers or select one from your photo library. You can even pick dynamic options like weather or astronomy that change with real-world conditions. Tap the clock to customize its font and color. Choose from a variety of styles to match your vibe. You'll see a depth effect toggle in the bottom left corner. Switch it on to let the subject pop in front of the clock or off for a flat look. And this is the appearance section. Here, you can toggle between light and dark mode for your lock screen or set it to change automatically based on your system settings. Tap on the date above the clock to open the widget selector. Then choose a small widget like suggestions for weather, calendar, or reminders, fitness, or specific stock to display next to the date. Below the clock, tap to add widgets. You can add the weather, battery level, calendar events, fitness stats, and more, up to 4 widgets at a time. You can also create multiple lock screens for different moods or focus modes. Just swipe left and tap the plus button to create a new one. iOS 26 lets you directly change the flashlight and camera shortcuts on the lock screen. You can remove the torch from the lock screen by tapping the minus button and then tapping the plus button to select a new lock screen control. On my screen, you can see all available controls. You can either use the search bar to navigate to a shortcut or find it manually by scrolling the screen. Similarly, you can remove the camera shortcut from the lock screen on your iPhone. Until today, our lock screen widget was placed below the clock time. However, in iOS 26, I noticed that the lock screen widget now stays above the lock screen shortcuts like the torch and camera controls. So this is a change. This is because you can expand the clock font size, as well as change it from glass to solid, but you cannot get more font styles. So this is nice, but a bummer. I think many users want more font styles, but right now, it is not available for other font styles. Apple will add this in a future iOS update. And that's it. Your lock screen is now uniquely yours. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.